Show you how you can make a machine learning app without any knowledge of coding. So let's start. So first I have logged into the Teachable Machine website, which is created by Google. So which means that it's very reliable and the models made by this website will be very efficient. So how do we log into Teachable Machine? So just write Teachable Machine, and then when you can just click on the first link, then you will reach the website of Teachable Machine. It is then click on Get Started, and then you open new image project. So you will see a screen like this. So what I have done in mine is similar. So you can edit the name of the class, the first class, second and third, how we want to differentiate the model. And then you can upload the images by using this function. So you can upload from your files in the computer. So all the data set for the images is given on a website. So you don't need to worry about the data set. So let's start. So now first you need to train your model. So for training the model, you just click on train model, and then it starts to prepare the data. So it will take some time because it's like many images. So you may see a page unresponsive message, but just wait because it will just load in some time. So as you can see that it takes 50 epochs for it to train the model, which is very efficient. So now it's training the model. So our three classes that we have here is mask, without mask, and wearing sunglasses. So now when we move our face near to the screen, you can see that it shows that I'm not wearing mask, which is without mask because I've used images that are very close to the face. So now that we have made a model, we have to export it. So now we can export it through TensorFlow Lite. So we need to download the quantized model first because in this app we are going to use the Android Studio. If you're not familiar with it, you can search on Google and download it. So how do you download Android Studio? Just search on Google Android Studio, download. So the first website which you can see is this. So you can just download Android Studio for your PC, which can be a Mac or Windows. It works on both. So we're using Android Studio, which means that the app you make will only work on Android devices. And I will show you my Android device also, how it works on my device in the end. So it will take several seconds for it to convert the model into a quantized one. So now you can see that our converted converted TF Lite file has been downloaded. So now we can take it to the desktop. Yeah. So this was the app. This is just for displaying my mobile screen. We don't need it right now. So now we have to just we have to just go to the Teachable Machine Learning app, and then we have to go to GitHub to download the app. So now the Android Studio and that I have is the latest model, and this example is also the latest. So the process that you will see is for the latest code in 2021. So we'll download the zip file for this also. Yeah, so our zip file has been downloaded. So we'll go to the Finder, then just bring it to the desktop, then open the zip file. So now when we open the zip file, we go inside the zip file, and then you can see a lot of files and documents. You need to enter the lit, and then go to the examples, then go to image classification, because we are making an image classification app right now, so we'll use this one, and then go to Android, then we'll open the Android one. So the Android, so we have to open this one, as you can see, this file. So now we will go to Android Studio. You can download Android Studio from the from internet, from Google, and you might need to download the Android file transfer in Mac, and then we create a new project. Sorry, we need to open a new existing project, desktop, then we will just go to the examples, the example master, and then we'll open LITE, then examples, image classification, then we'll open the Android, because we're making an Android device, an Android app. Here, so we can just open the zip file, then open it, then we can copy these two files, and then we can just paste them in our example master lit. Then we have to go to the examples, then image classification, Android, then we have to go to the models here for adding the assets, then go to the main, then the assets. So here we can delete this label.txt and paste our model and label.txt. So now we have done that, and we can open. Oh, sorry. So what you need to do is you need to go to this, not this one. You have to go to the lib support one. We have to go to the lib support quantized efficient model, and here we need to modify our uh, model. In the get model path, we have to give it a path. So our new path is model.tflight, which we have given in the assets. And keep in mind that the assets are here in the models, and then we need to give it a new label, finding path, then labels.txt, which we have here. And in the mobile net, similarly we have to do that. So in this in so the mobile efficient net, so the efficient net is more is better than the mobile net uh, from 4%, as said by Google in the libraries. We need to give it a path. So now we are given our libraries a path, and you can see that mobile is connected to the Android Studio. So now to connect the mobile, we have to follow some steps which I followed. So first, I'm going to show you my mobile screen. I have to connect it with USB. Take a little bit time to show my mobile screen. Yeah, so now you can see my mobile screen. So what we do is that we need to go to the settings, settings, and then search builder number. Then we enter the builder number, and then we click the builder number 7 times, but I've done that before, so I don't need to do that. So as given in the instructions of Android Studio, if we have connected our device with USB, then we have to go to the builder number and click it 7 times, and we will see that our Android device will be connected. So now I will show you how it runs. Keep in mind that you use the quantized model only in the Android app, not the float model right now. So the Gradle building will take around 1 minute to run the app. And when I'm wearing sunglasses, it will show that I'm wearing sunglasses, and when I'm without mask, then it will show that I'm without mask. Yeah. So now we have a working machine learning model. Keep in mind that you give it 3 classes, because in the Google app, this app made by Google, we can only uh, it will only work when we give it 3 classes, which means it should have 3 different sets of images. So that's how we will make a machine learning model. And one important thing is that in let me present my screen, mobile screen. So one important thing is that you need to change your model to quantize the efficient net only, because if you use the quantized float efficient, then it won't work. It will go to another uh, machine learning app made by Google, which we have allowed it to. So yeah, this is how your model will work. So you can modify a model in any way you want, and it will do the same. So in the teachable learning, you can add as many classes as you want, and then make your own machine learning model using the quantized model. So that's how we make a machine learning model without any knowledge of code. So we didn't have any knowledge of code, and we made this machine learning model. So we just modified some lines and made it work. So thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, then please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe.